Hello everyone, my name is Vivek Gupta and I'm studying in final year B Pharmacy from Shivaji Rao S. Jundale College of Pharmacy. Today I'm going to present an article and my topic for article is a review of triazole derivatives, its significant pharmacological activities, guided by Professor Manjusa Shanop ma'am. Introduction. Triazole is a 5-membered ring compound containing 3 nitrogen atoms and 2 carbon atoms. It is an essential class of heterocyclic compound with various applications in chemistry, agriculture, and medicine. In a professional context, you might encounter triazole in various fields like first chemistry, second agriculture, third pharmaceuticals, fourth coordination chemistry, and fifth click chemistry. Let us see first chemistry. Triazoles serve as versatile building block in organic synthesis, often used to creation of pharmaceuticals, agrochemicals, and advanced materials. Second, agriculture. Triazole fungicides are widely employed to protect crop from fungal diseases. They inhibit fungal growth by interfering with the biosynthesis of ergosterol, a vital component for fungal cell membranes. Third, pharmaceuticals. Triazole compounds are found in many pharmaceutical drugs, including antifungal medications, example fluconazole, and antiviral drug, example ribavirin. They can also act as ligands in coordination chemistry for drug design. Fourth, coordination chemistry. Triazole are commonly used as ligand in coordination complexes due to their strong coordinating abilities. This has application in catalyst and material sciences. Fifth, click chemistry. The Eugene 1,3-dipolar cycloaddition, often referred to as click chemistry, frequently utilized triazole. It's a valuable for linking molecules together in a controlled and efficient manner. In a professional setting, understanding the properties and application of triazole can be essential depending on specific field of expertise. Here we can see structural characteristics. Triazole is a heterocyclic organic compound with 5-membered ring structure containing 3 nitrogen atoms and 2 carbon atoms. Its chemical structure is formally described as C2H3N3. 3 nitrogen atoms and 2 carbon atoms in a triazole ring are arranged in specific pattern which impart distinct structural characteristics. Here, ring structure. Triazole consists of planar 5-membered ring. The ring is flat due to sp2 hybridization of nitrogen and carbon atoms, resulting in trigonal planar geometry at each atom in the ring. Second, nitrogen atom. 3 nitrogen atoms are part of triazole ring. These nitrogen atoms are adjacent to each other, forming a continuous chain of nitrogen atoms within the ring. Third, carbon atoms. 2 carbon atoms are present in the triazole ring. Interspersed among with the nitrogen atoms, these carbon are also part of the ring structure. Fourth one, double bond. The triazole ring containing 2 carbon nitrogen double bonds, that is C double bond N, and 1 carbon carbon single bond, that is C single bond C. These double bonds contribute to aromaticity of the ring. Aromaticity due to presence of alternating single and double bond in the ring. Triazole exhibits aromatic properties. Its follow Huckel's rules for aromaticity with 6 pi electron in the ring, making it stable. Functional groups. Triazole can have various functional groups attached to the ring such as alkyl, aryl or other substituents which can modify their chemical properties and reactivity. Seventh one is isomerism. Triazole can exist in several isomeric forms including 1,2,3-triazole and 1,2,4-triazole depending on the position of nitrogen atoms within the ring. Here we can see physical properties which has chemical formula C2H3N3 and molar mass 69.00725. Appearance is white solid, density is 1.43 gram per centimeter cube and melting point is 120 to 121 degrees Celsius. In Fahrenheit 248 to 250 degree Fahrenheit. In Kelvin 393 to 394 Kelvin. Boiling point as we can see 260 degrees Celsius, 500 in Fahrenheit and 533 in Kelvin. Solubility of water, it is very soluble in water. Here the biological activity of triazole compound is of significant scientific interest due to their diverse application in the pharmacology, particularly as antifungal and antiviral agents. Here an overview of the biological activity of triazole in a scientific manner. First, antifungal activity. Triazole are widely recognized for their potent antifungal properties. Prominent antifungal triazole includes fluconazole, itraconazole, and voriconazole used to treat various fungal infections. They inhibit fungal growth by targeting the enzyme cytochrome P450 14 alpha dimethylase CYP51, that is cytochrome P51, involving in ergosterol biosynthesis, a critical component of fungal cell membranes. Here, more recently, there has been development in the number of antifungal drugs available. Five major classes of antifungal compounds are currently in clinical use, that is, polyenes, azole derivatives, allylamines, thiocarbamates, and fluoropyridamines. Here, Zera Rezai et al. Synthesized triazole and benzotriazole derivative and evaluated for in vitro antifungal activity against fungi including E. flocosum, T. rubrum, M. canis, and C. albicans. T. mentagrophytes by inhibiting cytochrome P450 14 alpha dimethylase using standard fluconazole and clotrimazole. Here we can see reference and structure. Second is antiviral activity. Some triazole derivative exhibits antiviral activity against a range of viruses, including HIV and hepatitis C virus (HCV). It affects a large part of population, as shown in recent epidemiological study in Latin America and the Caribbean that estimate about 90% of adults and 60% of children are infected by HSV. They can inhibit viral replication by interfering with viral enzyme or other essential processes. HIV is a virus that weakens the immune system in humans over time, making them susceptible to various infections. Here M. Asif tested different compounds such as 4,1,2 dihydro 2 oxo 3 hindol 3 iodine amino N,4,6 dimethyl 1,2 pyramidanyl benzyl sulfonamide and its derivative to see they can help fight against HIV and found active against replication of HIV-1 and HIV-2 in MT4 cells. Here you can see reference and structure. Third, antibacterial activity. Triazole have been explored for antibacterial properties, although they are primarily known for antifungal activity. Tackling drug-resistant infection globally. Final reports and recommendation, which was a result of extensive work carried out by independent commission. Drug-resistant infection may be caused by 10 million deaths annually by 250, exceeding the number of deaths attributed to road traffics and even cancer. The newly synthesized 1,2,4 triazole compound were tested for their in vitro growth. Here, review of Abd al Badi AG Ghatas et al. Synthesized 1,2,3 triazole containing hybrids as potential anti-cancer agents is in vitro growth of broad spectrum of bacteria representing two species of gram-negative bacteria, namely as Escherichia coli and Pseudomonas aeruginosa, one species of gram-positive bacteria named as Bacillus cereus, by some new S-triazole derivatives. Here we can see reference and structure. Now next is anti-cancer activity. Scientists are putting lot of effort into developing improved medication of cancer. Some of these new drugs such as anastrozole, letrozole and vorozole belong to the group known as triazole compound. These drugs are crucial for treating cancer, particularly breast cancer. Here review of Irfan Shahin et al. Synthesized the above given compound were screened for cytotoxic activity against HeLa cell line. HeLa cell was treated with increase in concentration of given compound for 48 hours and MTT cell proliferation assay were carried out for determination of the anti-proliferative effects of agents on the cells. Here you can see reference and structure. And the last one is anti-tubercular activity. 1,2,3 triazole compound have opened up new opportunities to create better drug for treating tuberculosis. When scientists added a 1,2,3 triazole part of this drug, it can make more effective against tuberculosis. Here review of Sandeep K. Mandal et al. Synthesize 3,4,5 trihydroxybenzohydride, that is yellow cell, yellow hydrazide, in various way in which one derivative of submitted 1,2,4 triazole 3-yle benzene 1,2,3 triol to know their anti-tubercular activity. Here you can see reference and structure. And the conclusion of this review. Here we can see triazole are a group of versatile organic compound with distinct 5-member ring structure comprising 3 nitrogen atom and 2 carbon atom. The unique structure and chemical properties make them invaluable in various scientific disciplines. Triazole are notably recognized for their application in antifungal and viral medication, coordination chemistry, and material sciences. This will delve into structural characteristics, synthesis methods, biological activities, and practical application of triazole, shedding light on their essential role in advancing chemistry and technology. Here you can see reference according to their number.